Alright guys, now it's time for styling. So let's come inside head. Now inside style, first we will have body. Here let's provide height, which we are going to make it 100% viewport height. Next, display flex. Align items, center, justify content, again center. Make the background kind of a radial gradient. It's going to be circle and color. So let's make it say blue to black. Now here I will change the color. So let's make it a darker one. Yeah, kind of say this. Yeah, okay. Let's hit save and let's open with live server. Oops, it's not reflecting. Why? No, it's background only, not background color. If you give background color, then the gradient will not be reflected. Yeah, okay, now it is fine. And color, let's make it white. So hash FFF and font size, let's make it large. And what else? Let's hit save. Okay. Now next we have card container, right? So dot card container, we are going to provide perspective. Now I will explain it, but just a bit later. Perspective, okay? For now I am giving it 1200 pixel. Okay. It has something to do with 3D. Okay? Yeah. So next we have dot card. Let's provide a width and height. So width, let's make it 320 pixel. And height, let's make it 450 pixel. All right. Next, position relative. Now why relative? See, the thing is, this card will be positioned relative and these two will be positioned absolute. And we know that if we position something absolute, its position will be defined with respect to its parent, which is position relative. Alright? Okay, next. Transform style. Preserve 3D. Yes. This is also necessary. Now why? This is to maintain 3D. Okay, this is to maintain the 3D perspective. Alright, next. We are going to provide a transition and it's going to happen only on transform. Let's make it 0.8 second is in out. All right. And dot card on hover. Okay. On hover, it will rotate. So transform rotate Y 180 degree. Let's take a look. All right. Here. Okay. This is what it is happening. It is happening too soon. Okay, it is going to be transform. That's why. Let's hit save. And Yeah. Okay. Okay, all right. Now the thing is, for these cards, let's make back face visibility and let's make it hidden. And let's take a look, friend. See, so when it is getting flipped, we can't see the text, right? So this is because of this property, backface visibility hidden. All right, now we will style card face. We can even give it to this also. So dot card face. Let's cut it out and let's paste it here. Okay, and this one, let's make its position absolute. Next, width 100%, height again 100%, top 0, left also 0. And there is one more thing for these cards, for these face, right? See here, one thing, it is not aligned at the center, right? So what we will do, we will give it like that. Let's provide display flex, align items, center, justify content, again center. Let's hit save and now let's take a look. Yeah, see? Okay. Now the thing is, for dot card front, let's provide a background color, say hash 333, and for card back, let's provide a background color of say hash 555. Let's hit save. Now let's take a look. Okay, the thing is, by default, for this card back, it will be already transformed. Transform, rotate, it will be already rotated. So by default, it will be rotated 180 degree. Okay, that's the thing, friend. 180 degree. And see how is this now? Now the thing is, we are going to spice it up a little bit. Okay, now you got the concept, right? So yeah, this is, instead of animated, it's 3D, right? Yeah, but it is animated also. I mean, it seems animated. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you in our next lecture where we are going to spice it up a little bit. Till then, have fun. Take care.